Want to enable SSH access in Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once logged in, go to the Websites section in your account. Click on Websites list from the menu panel and select the website you want to manage. Head over to the dashboard of your chosen website. Scroll down in the menu panel and click on Advanced, then select SSH Access. On this page, you'll see a tab called SSH Status. If it shows inactive, simply click the Enable button to activate SSH. In the tab beside it, you'll find SSH Details, where you can check your connection info. You can also change your SSH password. Just enter a new password, confirm it, and click Change. Scroll down further to access SSH keys and other settings. That's how you can enable SSH access in Hostinger. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And do you want to get a discount on Hostinger? Use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. See you in the next video.